We were once excited about MP3 players, and the invention of an MP4 player that would support both MP3 and MP4 music files was once exciting. Technology has been advancing and the inventions never stop, not even in the music industry. Therefore, we're lucky enough to live in such a modern world where the choice of music gadgets is almost endless. Today, we'll tell you about the top 10 latest music gadgets you should buy. Number 10. Jawbone Jambox. From the makers of the stylish Jawbone headset comes a new portable wireless Bluetooth speaker that promises clear, room-filling sound. This beautiful Yves Bear design box gets 8 hours of continuous playback, so you can keep the party going all night long. You can stream music from any Bluetooth-enabled device, including your phone, laptop, desktop, or iPad. With a built-in microphone, the Jambox can even act as a speakerphone for conference calls. Jawbone Jambox is known for the stylistic headphone designs they have. Now it comes with a speaker that could give you more fun when listening to music. This portable wireless Bluetooth speaker does provide clear and room-filling sound. This device could last longer compared to cheaper ones. This device can play up to 8 hours continuously. Any devices can be connected to speakers as long as it has Bluetooth in it. The Jawbone Jambox also has a built-in microphone that you can use as a speakerphone in case you're planning to have a conference call with your friends. 9. TDK Boombox. With the USB RCA auxiliary ports that can connect to your music source, like your iPad or iPhone. This boombox may look like one for yesteryear, but it's actually a head-turning update. You still have AM/FM radio, but instead of old analog switches, you now have touch-sensitive buttons. With a 15-watt center woofer and a 10-watt side speakers, get ready for some pumpin' sound. Love the high-gloss black finish. Number 8. Beats Studio by Dr. Dre. If you're looking for over-the-ear noise-canceling headphones, you'll find two leaders, Bose or Beats by Dr. Dre. Beats was developed by music industry professionals and promised to give you incredible power, clarity, and deep bass. Can you believe that 3 years of research and development went into making these headphones? Cool bonus, the headphones come with an iPhone-enabled headphone cable with built-in answer button and microphone, so you can easily switch from listening to music to talking on your phone. Audiophiles and lovers of booming bass alike often ask me what I think about Beats by Dr. Dre headphones, assuming I'll somehow slam the company. But I'm actually a fan of what Beats have accomplished. In 2008, virtually no one was paying money for headphones, except for audiophiles. Beats more or less eliminated that complacency for dismal sound. True, it was achieved by making bass-heavy headphones a fashion statement seen on celebrities and athletes alike, but it was still a marked improvement over the status quo. The new Beats Studio at $299.95 direct is the second version of the original pair, made by Monster. Beats is no longer associated with Monster, and HTC, which had a controlling interest for a while, is now also jumping ship. Equipped with some decent noise cancellation, the signature glossy look, and the deep low end that made this lineup famous, or infamous, the new Studio will appeal to bass lovers and repel purists. Visually, the Beats lineup is possibly the most recognizable headphone design made since the 80s, even if that makes audiophiles cringe. You've seen them on the heads or resting around the necks of pro athletes and pop stars during press conferences and music videos, and that familiar look is a brand into itself at this point. Number 7. iPad, $499 to $829 plus Deja app. While there can be a countless number of ways you can enjoy music on your iPad, there's one app that will truly make you appreciate it if you're a music lover. The DJ app is DJ software that transforms your iPad into a full-fledged DJ system. Not only does it seamlessly integrate with all your iPod music library, the hyper-realistic touchscreen interface will make you feel as though you're spinning on turntables rather than your iPad. Works on everything from pre-queuing, beat matching, and scratching. Number 6. Shure SE425 Sound Isolated Earphones. Shure's SE425 earbuds are for those people who want to upgrade out of their white, out-of-the-box iPod earphones. They deliver fantastic audio quality and sound isolation that can block out a good deal of noise, making it perfect for the person who values not only a crisp and clean sound, but an accurate and balanced one. In fact, the SE425 uses a dedicated tweeter and woofer. Nice touch? detachable cable can be replaced. Number 5. Logitech Squeezebox Touch. If you want to play music anywhere in your house, but you want to pull it from your computer, try out the Logitech Squeezebox Touch. Whether you want to listen to your own music collection from music services like iTunes and Amazon, or you want all the endless choices that comes with internet radio, you can do it all using this device. They've even recently partnered with Pandora and Rhapsody, so you can discover new music from those services. Loving the color touchscreen. Number 4. Bose SoundLink Wireless Music System. Gadget setup doesn't get easier than this. Plug a USB key into your computer, and the Bose SoundLink system will play your digital music and internet radio from your computer. With its long-range wireless link, just use the remote control and you can then easily change the song from virtually anywhere in the house. You'll get Bose quality sound performance and a rechargeable battery that will free you from any outlets. Nice! Bose create a groundbreaking product. Sure, the company's got some really nice headphones and decent sound systems that are just a tad overpriced. But Bose? Since when does Bose make a game changer? Since it came out with its compact Bluetooth speaker and SoundLink Wireless Mobile, that's when. No, it's not the iPhone or anything, but it may just be the iPhone of portable Bluetooth speakers. For the uninitiated, Bluetooth speaker let you stream music and other audios from any smartphone and many tablets, including the iPad, wirelessly. There's no need for network configurations, just a simple pairing procedure, and whatever you're playing on your phone or tablet gets wirelessly sent to the speakers. Whether it's MP3 music, Spotify, radio, a baseball game, or a video soundtrack. Along with the compact shape and clean, elegant design, the SoundLink Wireless Mobile, starting at $300, is equipped with a magnetic protective combined cover and stand that automatically turns the speaker off when closed. Sound familiar? Number 3. iPod Nano. The newest iPod Nano shrunk about half its size, but is now multi-touch with a built-in FM radio. It's perfect for anyone on the go who wants to take it on a quick walk or a jog through the park. If you can't get enough of your Nano, there are even plans underway to turn it into a sleek watch. For those who love their music and Apple's sleek design, this lightweight gadget is a must-have. Number 2. Parrot Zikmu Wireless Speakers. Before you balk at the hefty $1,500 price tag for these gorgeous speakers, let me remind you that they are designed by one of the most iconic designers of our time, Philippe Starck. Zikmu stands at the cutting edge of new wireless technologies and streams audio tracks without any wires in sight, thanks to its dedicated iPod/iPhone docking station and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technologies. These speakers are thoroughly modern, thanks to all their technical specifications and minimalistic design, explains Philippe Starck. They feature the most extreme and innovative technology with the fewest possible materials to deliver maximum effect. That is the magic. Think of this as art in your living room. Number 1. Spectrum's Connected Musical Rings. This device is for people who love using musical instruments rather than portable ones like speakers. This ring can be paired with a guitar because it has an app that can transform any color into sound. The rules are just simple. All you have to do is put on this wearable and tap anywhere you want to produce sound. The Spectrums come with a 12-color keyboard, or you can choose not to take it when you buy this one. When the app is in use, you can connect up to 10 Spectrums and at the same time, which makes your Spectrum experience more fun. Once the app is good to go, you can set certain colors to make certain sounds. The app for this device includes synths, keyboards, drum kits, and a whole lot more. If you wish to share your experience with others, you can upload your recordings online. Experimenting with music has never been this fun. Everyone will surely have fun, especially music lovers. Do let us know in the comments which one of them you would like to buy. Please subscribe to the Gadgets World. Thanks for watching.